I'm Lacey, back again at Spirit of 76 Fireworks with more great products. Today, we're going to talk about the top 20 fireworks for 2014. If you haven't seen our other top videos, look below for the links. At number 20, we have the MS-287 Mummy Awakes. A perennial favorite, Mummy Awakes packs a lot of power into a small cake at a great price. It features green crackling and glitter breaks. At 19, we have the NF-102 Buzz Bang. Buzz Bang is one of our favorite novelties. This little piece zings into the air before bursting with a loud report. At 18, we have the MS-468 SEAL Team 6. Our Band of Brothers and Super Mafia Brothers assortments are best sellers and staff favorites. This year, Brothers helped us out with a new cake assortment, SEAL Team 6. You get 4 each of 6 different 16-shot cakes from Brothers for a total of 24 cakes. At 17, we have the FN349 Swordmaster. Swordmaster is a great new handheld fountain from Mighty Max. These fountains come in a 2-pack for twice the amount of fun. One of our most requested items, Swordmaster is sold out for the 4th of July season. At 16, we have the GM117 Swinado. Swinado is a new item from Sky Bacon for 2014 and our best new high shot count cake. At 182 shots, this cake rips out crackling comets with blue, lemon, and purple pearls. It ends with large breaks of brocade crown. Number 15 is the GM529 Western Sky. Western Sky is a great fan cake from Brothers. This is one of our shooters' favorite cakes with 6 5-shot barrages of red and gold. Each pass fills the sky with mines up to breaks. Number 14 is the SP169 number 50 Gold Sparklers. New for 2014 and exclusive to Spirit of 76 are number 50 Gold Sparklers from Sky Bacon. These sparklers burn for a total of 5 minutes and they come packaged 2 per pack. At 13 we have the MS-365 Band of Brothers. Our favorite 200-gram assortment, Band of Brothers contains the best of Brothers. Falcon Rising, Evil Enemy, Super Stallion, Bling Bling, and more. A must-have for any backyard show. At 12, we have our most intense fountain, the FG121 Catcalls. Catcalls has some great effects, like red flames, white chrysanthemums, whistles, blue stars, and red crackling, with red, green, and silver showers. This 500-gram fountain is high output and ranked as our #1 fountain of 2014. At number 11, we have the RL151D Smoke and Mirrors. This is a special set we had brothers custom manufacture for us. We had brothers shorten the tube and reduce the packaging as much as possible to reduce product and shipping costs. The shells are exactly the same, super loud, premium quality reloadables with great effects. Halfway through our countdown, at number 10, we have a really unique piece, the GM587 Confetti Cake. We bought a limited supply of this incredible daytime piece and couldn't be happier with the results. Our confetti cake shoots 18-foot-long streamers with vibrant, assorted colors. It's a great product for daytime events. At number 9, we chose the RL240 Hellcat cans. This is another great premium 60-gram canister shell manufactured by Sky Bacon. These shells are every bit as good as Smoke and Mirrors, but Hellcat cans are labeled for effect, which makes them a better choice for shooters. They come packed 12 to 6, and for this year, for the first time, we also offer Hellcat cans packaged 4 to 24. Number 8 is the GM509 Ridiculously Spicy. This is a new set exclusive to Spirit of 76. We took 2 of our loudest cakes, Spicy Hot and Ridiculous, and combined them in one case we call Ridiculously Spicy. These cakes are both extremely loud with whistling tails and big booming breaks. Now, with this set, you can get the same great effects with more variety. Number 7 is the GM107 Bacon Blaster. We are always on the lookout for a new heavy-hitting cake, and Bacon Blaster is just that, with 9 loud assorted shots, followed by a 3-shot finale of Crackling Willow. This cake was rated number 3 at our May 3rd demo. At number 6, we have the TB215 Khaotic Kaboom. Khaotic Kaboom is a piece we recommend to almost all of our customers. This item has all the pop and power you would expect from a 9-shot, but is packed 4 to 1, for a much lower price per piece. Don't let the size fool you. Khaotic Kaboom truly lives up to its name. Now on to our 2014 Top 5. At number 5, we have the RL225 Supernova cans. Our favorite shell this year is Supernova cans from the 76 Pro line. Each shell is labeled for effect, with great variety within each case, and minimal packaging, so all the money for these goes straight to the product. This product is loud, reliable, and a best seller for our shooters. You can also buy Supernova cans as RL225A, which is a smaller retail pack, and we have several choices for single effect cases. At number 4, we have the GM483 Multicolor Peony. The Multicolor Peony was the loudest item at our June 5th and June 19th product test. Multicolor Peony has always stood out with vibrant colors, but this batch is extra special for 2014. Get your cases while the supplies last. At number 3, we have the TB237 Whacky Tobacky. Whacky Tobacky is the most professional looking multi-shot we sell. The best of Brothers heavyweights, Whacky Tobacky is the real deal, firing big shots of Willow with pink glittering pistol. This is rated our number 1 tube rack of 2014. Nearly there at number 2, we have the GM106 Mount Rushmore. Number 2 is our best 500-gram set of 2014. Each case is an incredibly loud 9-shot on its own, but Sky Bacon has put all of these cakes together in one amazing set. Great effects, big booming brakes, and a great price make this an easy choice. Our customers and staff agree. Get your hands on a case of Mount Rushmore if you can. Our top-rated firework of 2014, number 1, the AT102 Washington Assortment. This set is filled with heavy hitters and customer favorites. The Washington offers amazing aerial variety that you can stretch out for hours or wire up with our fuse and fuse connects to put on the best show in your county. For instructions on the fuse connects, check out our link below. For these and more great products, visit us online at 76fireworks.com.